Vector AGR 812 Auto Steering System. Smart guidance, simple farming. Reliable hardware for efficient performance. 12.1-inch large display. Offers 41% larger viewing area with 1280-800 high resolution and an 800 nit high brightness display, ensuring clear visibility even in strong light. IP67 rated water and dust resistance, ensuring reliable performance in all weather conditions. Equipped with the new Vectoris Lite navigation application software, it features a minimalist design, supports multitasking on the same screen, and responds quickly for more efficient operations. Ergonomically designed 390mm steering wheel for superior comfort. Integrated with an optional spinner knob for comfortable driving experience. Equipped with a new integrated receiver that combines global satellite positioning and optional L-band precision enhancement technology, the HD812 will not drop out for 24/7 operation, regardless of signal. Compliant with ISOBUS, it integrates seamlessly across major machinery brands and models. For machinery with factory-equipped electronic steering, the HD812 supports steer-ready direct connection. This plug-and-play solution simplifies installation, dramatically cutting down on modification costs. For machinery without factory-fit steering interfaces, the hydraulic auto steer kit can be equipped with an electro-hydraulic valve to deliver precise automated steering. Centimeter-level path control and high-dynamic tracking algorithms ensure precision even in complex road conditions such as slopes and bumpy terrain. The system quickly aligns and operates steadily, eliminating over-tilling and mis-tilling, ensuring every operation remains as efficient as the first. HD812 focuses on core agricultural scenarios including planting, cultivation, management, and harvesting. Multi-mode. HD812 supports A-B line, parallel curves, diagonal harrowing, circular paths, and other route planning methods to meet the needs of different operation types. High expandability. Optional tools like a multi-function joystick and smart spraying system are available to meet diverse operational needs. Easy installation. A highly integrated system enables rapid installation, greatly shortening setup and calibration time. Efficiency is the power of effortless control. Vector AGR 812 Auto Steering System. Smart guidance, simple farming.